In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If it's not visible, select this gear, tap on voice typing, and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. Then tap on while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, tap on the same microphone again, or simply stop talking for a second. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!